Secrets is a stage play, about a one-act, hour-long play, that examines a teenager, Eddie, who's in high school, who has, through unprotected sex, become HIV positive. And the play charts how it affects not only Eddie, but also his friends and anyone in the chain of infection. HIV/AIDS is just as relevant now as it was during the high point in the late 80s and the early 90s. I think that for many people it sort of dropped off the radar maybe 10, 12 years ago, when no longer did we see the headlines every day of some celebrity contracting or becoming HIV positive. And now it's sort of morphed into ordinary people of any persuasion, of any ethnicity, of any gender, just ordinary people. Every new generation of students needs to see something like this.